guys, we're back at it with more real estate contents, and for today's video, iikutin natin ang mga developments at future developments here sa New Valley. I know kaliwat kanan na ang developments natin here sa Metro Santa Rosa, but some of you might not know kung anong nangyayari sa 2,400 hectare development plan here ni New Valley. Guys, papunta tayo ngayon sa Calax New Valley Flyover. So, swerte ng mga New Valley residents at malapit lang sa kanila yung New Valley Flyover, no? Or for other people naman, mas accessible lang pumunta sa New Valley and vice versa if ever man pumunta tayo ng Tagaytay or gusto natin pumunta sa mga cafe sa Silang Cavite. So, very accessible siya for New Valley residents. So, ayan. Tanawin na natin ang New Valley. So, on your right side, dyan yung makikita yung New Valley Flyover. Ayan. Kita nyo na ba? So, it's a sunny day here in Santa Rosa, and ang ganda lang din talaga ng vibes pagka pasok or pagkababa nyo ng New Valley Flyover. Makikita nyo na agad si Soledad 1, who is famous for its koi fish, its man-made lake, and also si Soledad 2 and 3, which is nandun naman yung mga cinema, andun yung mga events, minsan may mga concert doon, live bands, even mga boutique shops or mga food trip if ever man. So, lahat talaga ng kailangan nyo is in New Valley. If you don't know yet, si New Valley is the first and largest eco-city here in the Philippines. So, nasa 2,400 hectares siya. It's almost twice the size of Makati, and sabi pa nga ng iba, it's almost 10 times the size of BGC. So, correct me na lang if I'm wrong, comment down below. So, ayan yung New Valley Flyover. It's currently still ongoing construction. So, ayan. Pag labas natin dito, ang tumbok niya is actually the stoplight of New Valley in between Soledad 1 and 2. So, dito sa may area na to, ang dami din nating available grocery shops within New Valley. We have Landers, SNR, we have Landmark and Robinsons naman inside Soledad 2 and 3. So, kung ano kayo, mga mahiling mag-grocery, kasi kami as a young couple or as newlyweds ng husband ko, isa to sa mga date trips namin mag-hopping ng grocery store. So, ayan, on your left side is si Soledad 1, and sa likod ni Soledad 1, nandiyan naman si Concentrix. Kasi dito naman din yung dine-develop natin Techno Hub, which I will feature or itutour namin kayo later on. But to give you an idea, para magkaroon kayo ng direction na para ano ba mga pinupuntahan mo dyan, Gwen? So, ayan. Mag-left tayo, tapos, ayan. On our right side, ayan naman si Seda Hotel. So, may mga murang breakfast buffet dyan. And dito din usually magandang mag-meeting or mag-staycation if ever man na gusto nyong bumisita ng New Valley. So, there we have. On our left side naman is yung mga BPO natin, such as Concentrix. At ito, iikutan na nga natin si Techno Hub din ni New Valley. So, on our right side pala, no guys, sorry. On our right side, ayan yung binibuild or dinedevelop ngayon na Techno Hub. Sobrang bilis ng construction nila neto. So, if ever man na mag-i-invest kayo dito sa area kay New Valley, madami talaga tayong target market for expats or employees na pwedeng mag-rent sa condo unit natin sa Solara Park. So, if ever man din na for personal use naman kung bakit kayo nag-invest dito sa New Valley, madami din tayong pwedeng maging business opportunities or employment na may offer din sa inyo si New Valley. So, grabe lang. Talagang self-sustaining community talaga siya. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo, pumunta ng Manila para humanap ng mga opportunities. But here kay New Valley, wala silang ginawa kundi magbigay or mag-open ng new opportunities for its residents and investors. So, yeah. Ikot naman tayo. So, ayan, kakanan na tayo para makita ang Museum of Architecture and Residences. So, actually, mixed-use development or mixed-use yung building na museum siya, and also it's gonna be offer a few limited residential units na very premium and very classy. If nanood kayo ng Inventing Anna, no? Parang ito yung feeling ko na visualize niya na gusto niyang gawin na business. Yung parang arts and it's gonna be a home for arts and architecture at the same time. Pwede ka din dito manirahan. So, looking forward sa development na yon, and you know that New Valley can offer you luxury lifestyle. So, ngayon naman, nandito na tayo papunta sa East Block. So, East Block is a 11-hectare commercial district that is just right beside New Valley North Business District. So, si New Valley North Business District, hindi pa siya undergoing construction and wala pa rin official announcement kung kailan siya itatayo. Pero good to know, no, na parang may BGC na din talaga tayo here sa South. Na gusto nyo yun, just outside your residences is nandun na din ang business at commercial district. So, ayan, on your left side, andyan si East Block. So, 11 hectares siya na development. Malaki siya and very spacious, and of course, just like BGC, it's gonna be walkable. Yeah, ayan na siya. So, madami pa tayong available na commercial area or commercial lots dito sa East Block. Comment down below if interested kayo, or message me if this is something that you have or have been looking forward to investing here in New Valley. Kung hindi residence, but commercial lots ang gusto nating pag-investan. So, ayan, nakikita nyo na si LHK South. So, this is a 9-story mixed-use building for commercial and office leasing. It is the second LHK South building by JSLA Architects. The green building boasts of innovative features that allows it to qualify for a leader in energy environmental design gold certification. So, dun pa lang sa development ni LHK or sa building niya, makikita mo na talaga kung anong future na pwedeng mangyari dito kay New Valley for its commercial district and also for its business district. Ito na, nagsisimula na mag-bloom ang New Valley developments. So, sa right side natin, kino-construct na si East Block Gardens. So, just like BGC, ito yung mga gardenscapes ni Ayala na very famous. And dito nyo makikita na parang kahit may commercial district at meron tayong mga buildings, ay nandito pa rin yung parang eco-living or New Valley being its eco city. So, ayan, nakakatuwa na nakikita na natin yung gantong klaseng development. Sobrang bilis, and magulat na lang tayo in a blink of an eye. Parang BGC na si New Valley. So, kung nagtataka pa kayo or nag-iisip pa kung bakit ba tayo mag-i-invest kay New Valley, maybe this could help you visualize its future or future promising development or promising future pala. Sorry guys. So, itong kanto na to na just facing East Block is the North Center Business District of New Valley. So, yung strip na yan, makikita nyo si Uniqlo, si McDonald's New Valley, si CBTL, and also Healthway. And ito, hindi pa siya fully announced. Kayo pa lang ang una makakaalam. But sabi-sabi, wala pa naman official announcement that Healthway would also have its kidney center. Since meron ng nagpo-perform na daw sila ng kidney transplant, magkakaroon na din dito ng kidney center just beside Caltex of Landers, or sa likod lang ni Caltex. So it's something to be excited about, na madami din tayong medical centers dito sa area. So we're now entering the New Valley Residences. At ang bubungad sa atin sa right side is si Central Block. So ito yung na-mention ko sa vlog natin o kaya sa earlier stages ng video na to, na malapit sa Solara Parks or malapit sa Xavier New Valley. Si Central Block, nandito si Mary Mart at ang The Shops. So si The Shops, I feel like para siyang magiging Solenad, if I'm guessing right. Pero ano lang siya, mid-rise or low-rise lang din siya na commercial area. So very useful to for residents here in New Valley, and sa mga, syempre, mga bagets natin na nag-aaral sa Xavier. So walking distance lang to sa kanila, para hindi na din nila kailangan lumabas ng New Valley para makakain sa mga restaurants, or hindi na din natin kailangan pumunta sa New Valley North para magkaroon ng commercial area na malilibutan. So undergoing construction na din siya, at ang bilis lang din ng development dito sa area. So something to look forward to. So yung kantong niyan na tutumbukin natin, andyan na si Xavier New Valley, si Solara Parks, at dun yung makikita yung iba pang residences. Ayan, nasa loob na tayo ng New Valley. So, if hindi ko pa na-share sa inyo guys, New Valley resident din ako. And ang kagandahan dito, currently since we are expanding, sa gitna mismo nitong road, the two roads, if mapapansin nyo, may kinecreate na din silang jogging path. And of course, dahil nga marami na din tayong commercial areas sa New Valley, no, naggagawa na din sila ng future development ng mga sidewalks, since malaki pa yung space natin dun sa harap ng mga residences. Kung mapapansin nyo, may makikita din tayong mga shed dito, and actually sa may left side naman natin, this is Rockwell South. So it's gonna be something that New Valley residents would enjoy if ever din magkaroon sila ng commercial area. Sabi-sabi, magkakaroon din daw ng power plant mall dito, I don't know, but also same with Rockwell residents, they get to enjoy the New Valley lifestyle. So actually guys, ino-offer din natin yon. So ang tumbok netong road na to, gagawin naman nilang Alfresco Mall. So it's gonna be a 10-hectare development na Alfresco Mall, just like ATC. So gano'ng kasarap yun, na parang kapitbahay mo lang yung ATC in the future. So hindi talaga kailangan na umalis ka ng New Valley to really get that shopping center, leisure centers, commercial districts, and business districts. Nandito na sila lahat. So malaki si New Valley, yes, and they are still developing everything that they could provide for their residents. So now, sa may left side naman natin, andito gagawin yung bike trail. So kung mahilig kayo sa active lifestyle na every weekend nagbabike or every morning magbabike, magkakaroon din tayo dito na bike trails. And of course, parang husband ko, if you're also a golf lover, magkakaroon din tayo ng golf range dito. So if ever man, hindi ko alam kung kailan i-release tong YouTube video na ito, but for sure, by the time na i-release to, ay bukas na din ang golf range here kay New Valley. So ayan, so papunta tayo sa New Valley South, at kita nyo naman may view tayo ng Laguna Bay. So besides the Makiling view, mayroon din tayong view ni Laguna Bay. So sa mga nag-worry kung bahain ba dito sa New Valley, kita nyo naman kung gaano kataas ang elevation here sa area. So nasayahan naman ba kayo sa ating road trip here sa New Valley area? If you want to know more about New Valley Valley or mga updates pa, comment down below and I'll make sure to cover it. And also, kung naghahanap kayo ng condo, house and lot, and even residential lots here in New Valley, you may message me on my WhatsApp and Viber at +639-19098-4918, or kaya naman mag-reach out kayo sa aking Facebook page at Gwen C Properties. So guys, alam nyo na kung anong pangalan ko at nandito na rin naman kayo, might as well click the like, subscribe button, and para maging notified pa kayo sa mga ating future videos here sa YouTube, click the notification bell na din. So guys, this is Gwen C Properties and I'll see you there.